Hey, what's up? Sami here. For the next 3 videos, there will be all the products from OPPO INNO Day 2021, which are the OPPO Air Glass, retractable camera with rear photo samples, of course, and OPPO's first foldable phone, OPPO Find N. And this is the first one, OPPO Air Glass. When thinking about AR glasses, we will think of these bulky ones, but this OPPO Air Glass is totally the opposite. Of course, OPPO says this is assisted reality glasses, not augmented reality, meaning it projects 2D information into a field of view rather than overlaying 3D objects onto the real world. So don't even think about it using it to watch some porn, my folks. But how is it? From my limited time with it, there are some features that I really like. First is the feather-like weight. It weighs only 30 grams. You can literally carry it anywhere you want. Second is the elegant and modular design. OPPO said it was inspired by the cicada wing. Just check it out. We got a speaker at one end, the magnetic charging contacts in the middle, and the mic beside it, a touch area on the other side, and of course the spectacle lens. And if you're wondering how the OPPO Spark micro projector looks like, here they are very small, isn't it? But it's capable of up to 3 million nits peak brightness. Definitely looks elegant and high-tech, at the same time, it's low profile. And no, I'm a crazy man who always wants more attention from the public, but some guys like you maybe just want to keep a low profile when using in real life. Here you go. No bulky main body, no wires, this and that. Perfect. Also, it's modular designed. You can either use 1 or 2 lenses. Third is the intuitive operation. Just attach it to your glasses frame and connect with your phone. You swap on the gesture control area and that's it. You also operate through voice, hand tracking and head tracking, as well as via smart glass app on a smartphone running OPPO's ColorOS 11 or above. For sure, you can adjust some specs like the size of text visualizer and the phone app. Since it's assisted reality, what it can do is you can use it for notifications and directions, or features like teleprompting and real-time translation, though I haven't had much time to experience that. The display is monochrome with either 16 or 256 levels of grayscale depending on the mode, so the Air Glass is not going to be beaming rich content into your eyes. During my test, I found the content seems a little bit blurry and off the center, but yeah, since what I was experiencing was a prototype, so I will just wait to see what the final version will be, which will be available in the Q1 of next year. Let's see. Last, you may care about is the battery life. OPPO says it should last for 3 hours of active usage and 40 hours on standby. That's really not bad. Alright, that's the video. Do you like it? Will you buy it? Let me know in the comment section. And if you are interested in OPPO's retractable camera or foldable phone, please watch my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sami. I will see you in the next one.
Okay.